Now let's look at example 2, a word problem. So example 2. It says a backyard which is square in shape has a rectangular swimming pool constructed in it. A path around the pool is to be laid as shown in the diagram. Full stop. Your goal is to write an expanded expression of the area of the swimming pool. Okay, so what does the diagram look like? Well, let's grab out our trusty ruler so we can draw our beautiful straight lines. So first, with a ruler, draw in a square. And we're going to show that it's a square by labeling the 4 sides with dashes. The diagram says the sides of this square has a side length of x. And inside, again, use a ruler, we have a rectangular swimming pool. Whoops. So let's draw in a rectangular swimming pool. There you go. There is also, the diagram has indicated that these distances here, oops, so that distance there is 2 meters. So there's a pathway around 2 meters that way, and then there's also a pathway here which is 1 meter that thick. So inside here we have the pool. So I'm just going to color it blue, make it look nice and pretty. There you go. So this is your pool. On the edge we have a pathway of 2 meters by 1 meter around the edge of the pool, and then this square is your backyard. So we need to work out what this blue shaded area of the swimming pool is. So if this pool is a rectangle, then area of a rectangle, it's length times width. So we first need to work out what the length and width of the pool are. So length of pool, well, okay, let's think about it. If this, this total height is x, but I'm taking away 1 meter and I'm taking away 1 meter. Whoops, that should be 1, not just m. That should be 1 meter. Then this total length of the pool is x minus 1 minus 1. So length of pool is x take 1 take 1, which is x take 2 meters long. What about the width of the pool? Again, let's have a look. The width of the pool is this total horizontal distance, which is x, because the outside backyard is a square. But I'm taking away 2 meters on the left and 2 meters on the right as well. So it's going to be x take 2, which is x take 4. So area of the pool is a rectangle, which is default formula length times width. We are going to substitute the 2 expressions for the length and width in. Now, because we're multiplying and we've got 2 terms, we are going to put brackets around our terms. So we have x minus 2 in brackets times in brackets x minus 4. You can write a multiplying symbol between the 2 brackets. like this, but you don't have to because it's just implied two brackets next to each other. It means to multiply. So we can apply the FOIL, our distributive law for binomials, to figure out what this expanded expression is. So first we have x times x, which is x squared. Then we have our outer, so FOIL first, outer, inner, last. Outside we have x and -4. Don't forget about negative sign, so that's minus 4x. We have inner, which is -2. Don't forget about negative sign, times the x. So we have -2x. And finally, we have the last terms, which is -2 times -4. So that gives you +8. Now let's simplify our expression. So it's x squared minus 4x minus 2x gives you -6x plus 8. Now, because this is a word problem, let's finish off with a sentence conclusion. So therefore, area of pool is x squared minus 6x plus 8, because we were given units at the start. So you always finish off with units, meter squared, because it's area. Even if you're not given units, you would definitely write units squared, because units is definitely worth half a mark on the exam. So don't forget units.